Who formally proposed the concept of an ecosystem in 1935? The English botanist Arthur Tansley formally proposed the term ecosystem in 1935. Which of the following is an example of an abiotic component? Abiotic components are non-living factors like temperature, light, water, and soil nutrients. What is the specific term for organisms that can synthesize their own organic nutrients? Autotrophs synthesize organic compounds from simple inorganic substances. Gross primary productivity minus respiration equals net primary productivity. It represents the actual rate of new biomass available for consumers. According to the 10% law, how much energy is roughly transferred to the next trophic level? Only about 10% of energy is transferred, the rest is lost as heat or used in metabolism. Which biogeochemical cycle is predominantly a sedimentary cycle? The phosphorus cycle is sedimentary because its main reservoir is rock or soil, not the atmosphere. What is the process of converting ammonia into nitrites and then nitrates called? Nitrification involves oxidizing ammonium to nitrite and then to nitrate by bacteria. In an aquatic ecosystem, which pyramid can sometimes be inverted? The pyramid of biomass can be inverted in oceans where phytoplankton mass is less than zooplankton. Organisms that feed on dead organic matter and break it down are called decomposers. They break down dead organic matter into inorganic nutrients. Which biome is characterized by permafrost and very low temperature? The tundra biome is known for its permanently frozen subsoil and extreme cold. Stay tuned for more such videos.